The mold press works with heat and suction. You can see this opening here where you can introduce a vacuum cleaner. I switch on the heat so that the upper part starts heating up because it needs to melt a plastic sheet that we will place underneath. The plastic sheet comes with a protective foil on both sides that need to be removed first. Then I add it to this tray that has a little placeholder and snaps together magnetically. All products of VR Memory Keepers are so intuitive and easy to use. You can't do really anything wrong. The top is also marked. Then I slide it underneath and we wait until the plastic starts to droop. Here is the object we want to create a mold for. I start placing it on the surface and you can see the plastic is still not drooping. It will take usually about 10 minutes once you switch on the machine. Now you can see plastic is drooping, meaning we are ready. I switch on my vacuum cleaner and then I press down the trays. And here we have our molded object. Let's pop the biscuit out. Okay, this looks pretty cool.